Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your workflow using ClickUp automations, one of the most powerful tools to boost your productivity. We'll walk through each step in detail, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to easily set up automations that help you optimize your tasks, save time, and focus on the work that truly matters. This method is to look out for the ClickUp. One set and say, ClickUp automations. Step 1. Getting started in ClickUp. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to ClickUp. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to get to your main dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice ClickUp's clean and intuitive layout. Everything's organized into spaces, lists, and folders that make managing your projects super easy. Step 2. Choosing where to automate. From here, let's set the foundation for your automation. Click on either list or space depending on where you want your automation to live. Think of spaces as your big picture view, like departments or teams, and lists as the specific workflows or projects under them. Choose the one that best fits your workflow objectives. A quick tip: start small. Try setting up your first automation in a single list before expanding to your entire workspace. Step 3. Accessing the Automation Hub. Next, look for the Automate button. This is your gateway to Automation Central. Clicking it will open up ClickUp's Automation Hub, where all the magic happens. Here, you can streamline repetitive tasks, reduce manual effort, and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Step 4. Adding AI to your automations. Optional, but powerful. If you're interested in taking things to the next level, ClickUp allows you to leverage AI in your automations. Click on Create AI field. This feature lets you bring artificial intelligence into your workflows. For example, you could have AI automatically generate task descriptions, suggest priorities, or summarize project updates. It's a great way to make your system more dynamic and responsive to your team's needs. Step 5. Creating your automation. Once you've set up your AI fields, or if you're skipping that step, click Create Automation. This opens a wide range of possibilities, from assigning tasks automatically to sending reminders when a status changes. You'll now decide what type of items your automation will apply to, tasks or subtasks. Consider where your workflow tends to get repetitive. That's usually the best place to start automating. Step 6. Setting the trigger. Every automation starts with a trigger, the specific event that kicks things off. For example, you might want something to happen when a new task is created, a status changes to in progress, or a due date is updated. Defining your trigger clearly is key. It ensures your automations respond at the right time and keep your workflow running smoothly. Step 7. Choosing the action. Once your trigger is set, it's time to define the action. What ClickUp should automatically do when that trigger happens. This could be sending a notification to your team, updating a task's priority, moving it to a new list, or even adding a comment automatically. The right action can make your automation feel like having a personal assistant working behind the scenes. Step 8. Review and test. Before you wrap up, always test your automation. Create a test task, trigger the event, and make sure everything works as intended. If needed, you can easily edit or disable the automation later. ClickUp makes it super flexible. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create automations in ClickUp from setup to testing. With these tools, you can now automate mundane tasks, minimize human error, and focus your energy on creative, high-value work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future productivity tips. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and build your first ClickUp automation today.